Hello my friend, how are you? Tonight we see just a little bit of what I've received today. Okay, so this is just an unboxing video, very short, because the next days I will do some other video review for each of these stuff. But what have I received today? Huh? What do you mean? Perfect. So, let's open. Thank you, Mr. Allen. Now I will open your big bag. Urgh. Wow. Oh, here we are. I really beg your pardon for my cheesy English, alright? I'm just a poor guy from Italy, you know. Wow, let's see. Alright. Alright, Mr. Allen. A lot of stuff. 1, 2. Oh my god. How many? Oh man, this is crazy. 3, 4. Oh, 5. Miss Allen, you are crazy. 6. I don't know. What is inside? I don't know. 6, 7. Oh, yes. Thank you very much. We'll read later. Don't forget this. Alright, this will be the first. Very nice. I said this is very short video, so must go fast. First packet. Very nice. 1, 2. To write my review? Yes, why not? Beautiful. 3. USB cable. Another small flashlight. Beautiful. Alright. USB. Charging. Very nice. I'm happy. Yes, I'm really happy. So, ho perso il conto. 4. Stainless steel. Another fabulous flashlight. Beautiful. It deserves a very nice video review. I will do next time, for sure. I don't know the number, I don't remember. Too much stuff. A wizard with a pen. Yes. Another very nice ADC stuff. This is all stainless steel. To write and to... Wow. what I have here. Chain. A little bit big. Take a look. Triple A, double A. But always stainless steel. Ow. Let's think. Wow. A multi-tool. Wow. Knife. A little flashlight. Hey, Mr. Allen, you're crazy. You're really crazy. Too much stuff. A lot of work for me. Oh my god. Thank you very much.